While Voil will make every effort to carry out repairs or replacement of parts under this warranty as soon as possible, it is expressly made clear that Voil shall not be liable to do so within any specified period of time. This warranty is not applicable if the washing machine is used for commercial purposes or at places like institutions, hospitals, community hall, hostels, and other similar applications. This warranty will continue to be in force for the term herein specified, irrespective of what repairs or replacements may be provided under it, and such repairs or replacements shall not attract any fresh warranty. In case of replacement of any part or entire product, the defective part or entire product should be returned to Voil. Voil's employees and or dealer have no authority to vary the terms of this warranty. This warranty doesn't create any contractual relationship between us and the purchaser of the washing machine, who must look to the performance of these obligations by the dealer from whom the washing machine is bought. We shall, however, fulfill the terms of the warranty. The 2-year warranty will automatically terminate on the expiry of the warranty period of 2 years from the date of purchase, and the extended warranty on motor will also automatically terminate on the expiry of 8 years term, which commences immediately after the expiry of 2 years from the date of purchase as provided in the original invoice, even if the washing machine may not be in use for any time during the warranty period for any reason whatsoever, including any technical breakdowns, and the time taken for such repairs or replacements of parts and transit, whether under this warranty or otherwise, shall not be excluded from the warranty period. It is entirely left to Voil's discretion to effect repairs or replacement of parts at the site of installation or at any service station of its branches or of its authorized representatives or dealers or service partners. Any repair or replacement or refurb shall be chargeable as per actual cost of such repair or replacement, etc., when any damage to the product occurs due to any of the following reasons. First, house wiring issues. Second, rat bite issues on wiring harness. Third, coin or foreign particles entry. Fourth, choke due to filter or muck accumulation. Fifth, inlet water pipe refixing. The warranty doesn't cover any accessories external to the product like trolleys, covers, etc., even those marketed by Whirlpool. Only courts in National Capital Region of Delhi or the district within the municipal limits shall have jurisdiction for settling claims or disputes arising out of the present warranty. Voil reserves the right to alter the terms and conditions of the present warranty at any time in its sole discretion without any prior notice. Now specifications, go through it. क्या है इसमें specifications? Elite and Elite Star. Display, yes. Capacity 6.5 kg, 7, 7.5. Elite की और Elite Star की 6.5 kg, 7 and 7.5 kg. Type of wash system, AG pillar. Wash speed है आपकी 15 to 21 string per minute. Spin speed 740 rpm. Machine weight 28 kg, 30 kg in Elite, and Elite Star is also the same. Basket 1450W Elite Star का. Soak, yes. Basket stainless steel, वो हीटर रेटिंग है. हीटर रेटिंग इज 1450 watt. Basket is stainless steel. Soak, yes. Delay feature, yes. Auto restart, yes. Lint filter, yes. Magic है. Rat mesh, yes. Dimensions, width, depth, height in millimeter, तो वो इन्होंने बता रखा है 540 इंटू 550 इंटू 946, एंड फॉर फ्लोरल कलर्स का है 540 इंटू 550 इंटू 976, सेम एज Elite Star. वाटर प्रेशर कितना है 0.2 kg per centimeter square to 7 kg per centimeter square, 0.02 MPa to 0.7 MPa. पावर सप्लाई 230 वोल्ट 50 हर्ट्ज 6A. इलाइट स्टार का है 230 वोल्ट 50 हर्ट्ज 16A. इनपुट पावर और मोटर रेटिंग है 360 वाट. पावर कंजप्शन पर वॉश नॉर्मल वॉश 0.14 यूनिट्स. मशीन क्लास 1. फिर है वाइट मैजिक इलाइट. इसका कंट्रोल बोर्ड दे रखा है, इसका आप डायग्राम देख लो बहुत ही अच्छे से. पावर कॉर्ड पीसी, मैं फुल फॉर्म बता देती हूँ. कनेक्टर्स पीसी पावर कनेक्टर, एलसी लोड कनेक्टर, एलएससी लिड स्विच कनेक्टर, पीएससी प्रेशर सेंसर कनेक्टर, सीवी कोल्ड वेल्वे, एमसी मोटर कैपेसिटर, एम मोटर, बीए ब्रेक एक्चुएटर, एलएस लिड स्विच, पीएस प्रेशर सेंसर, पी फेज, एन न्यूट्रल. कलर्स हैं आपके आर रेड, वाई येलो, बी ब्लैक, जीबी ग्रीन ब्लैक, बी आर ब्राउन, बी ओ ब्लू ऑरेंज, वी वॉयलेट, बी एल ब्लू, जी वाई ग्रीन येलो, एल बी लाइट ब्लू. ठीक है, दीज आर द फुल फॉर्म्स ऑफ दिस जो मैंशंस हैं. पी एस सी, एल एस सी 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2. ठीक है, अभी नेक्स्ट पे आते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज़ वाइट मैजिक इलाइट प्लस का जो हमारा कंट्रोल बोर्ड है दैट इज़ डिफरेंट. ये देखो आप. ठीक है, लिड स्विच, हीटिंग सिस्टम, कोल्ड वेल्वे, पावर कॉर्ड, अर्थिंग, कैबिनेट अर्थ, मोटर अर्थ, ब्रेक एक्चुएटर, मोटर कैपेसिटर. इसमें हम फुल फॉर्म देख लेते हैं. दिस इज़ ऑल्सो द सेम एज द अपर वन विच आई ऑलरेडी डिस्क्राइब्ड बिफोर, बट कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो चेंज है, सो आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू अगेन. पीसी पावर कनेक्टर, एलसी लोड कनेक्टर, आईवीसी इनलेट वेल्वे कनेक्टर, पीएस प्रेशर सेंसर, पीसीबी, पीएससी प्रेशर सेंसर कनेक्टर, एससी सिग्नल कनेक्टर, एलएस लिड स्विच, एलएससी लिड स्विच कनेक्टर, वीसी कोल्ड वेल्वे, एचआर हीटर रिले, एचई हीटर, एनटीसी थर्मिस्टर, बीए ब्रेक एक्चुएटर, एम मोटर, सी कैपेसिटर और कनेक्टर कैपेसिटर कनेक्टर. Cable color I already described before. Few ones are left which are included in Elite Plus, that is GB. GB green black, BR brown, BO blue orange, V violet, BL blue, GY green yellow, LB light blue, O orange, W white, WG white green, GN green. ठीक है. Now इंस्टॉलेशन रिपोर्ट कंपनी कॉपी, वर्लपूल ऑफ इंडिया लिमिटेड कंज्यूमर सर्विस डिपार्टमेंट इंस्टॉलेशन रिपोर्ट. मॉडल नंबर, सीरियल नंबर, कस्टमर आईडी, कस्टमर्स नेम, टेलीफोन नंबर, एड्रेस, मशीन डिलीवर्ड ऑन, मशीन इंस्टॉल्ड ऑन. तो नो सी टिक अप्रोप्रिएट बाय टेक्नीशियन. वॉशिंग मशीन पैकेज कंटेन्स रिसीव्ड फॉलोइंग आइटम्स: वाटर इनलेट पाइप, यूजर मैनुअल, रैट मैश, ट्रेन होज एंड क्लैम्प. Yes or no? Yes. Demonstration. Any transit damage observed after unpacking? No. Condition of earthing or plug point if poor has customer been advised or action to be taken? था ऐसा. Condition of कैसी थी? Good. Warranty terms and conditions explained? Yes. Detergent and bleach recommendation explained? Yes. Basic wash demo given with hot wash if applicable? Yes. Thermal cutout explained? Yes. Transit bracket removed? Yes. Rat mesh installed? Yes. Advised to turn off the machine after use? Yes. Inlet hose and drain hose checked for water leak after connection? Yes. Explanation. Usage of washing machine? Yes. Is the water tap used as per Whirlpool recommendation? Yes. House wiring voltage condition? Phase and neutral. Phase and earth, neutral and earth मतलब कौन सा है? Wiring condition. If poor has customer has been advised on action to be taken. Water pressure or overhead tank height requirement? Yes. Leveling the machine. Explained clothes loading, proper clothes separation for best wash. Heater function if applicable? Yes. Cloth stuck? Yes. मतलब सी, उसने ये सारी चीज़ आपको एक्सप्लेन की या नहीं की, विच देन यू हैव टू आंसर इट आइदर इट्स यस और नो. Explain inlet hose filter cleaning and required cleaning frequency, yes. Explain cleaning of tub and required cleaning frequency, yes. Explain drain hose fitment and positioning on ground, yes. Additional drain hose added, yes. Low water intake, if low, has customer been advised on action to be taken. Noise during wash and spin, yes. Lid switch operation, yes. Error codes explanation, yes. Explained all features of the machine to customer, yes. Explained regular checkup and safety instructions, yes. Do's and don'ts, yes. Name of SP, installation date, installed by. Now customer voice, your feedback matters. The installation person is courteous and helpful, yes. I would describe my experience with installation, satisfied. I confirmed my warranty by calling Whirlpool call center post installation. No. I certified that the above information demonstration has been done to my satisfaction and I am fully satisfied with the appliance. Okay. Now there is a customer signature, name, installation date. Warranty is not applicable if product is not used as per installation guidelines or usage explanation beyond 180 days from purchase. Chargeable situations as explained in user manual. Then installation report, customer copy. Whirlpool of India Limited, Consumer Service Department. Model number, serial number, customer ID, serial number, customer's name, telephone number, address, machine delivered on, machine installed on. Take appropriately by technician. Washing machine package contains received following items: water inlet pipe, user manual, rat mesh, drain hose and clamp. Demonstration. Any transit damage observed after unpacking, conditions of earthing और प्लग पॉइंट. ये तुम्हारा बाय टेक्नीशियन है एंड दैट वाज आल्सो ठीक है. कस्टमर कॉपी और वो था कंपनी की कॉपी. तो इसमें ज़्यादा कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है, रेस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स आर सेम. सो इसको आई एम शोइंग इट ऑन दिस टू वीडियो. If you want to write it down, you can pause it and write it. Okay, now service at your doorstep क्या है? Whirlpool service, SMS WPL to 58558. Call 1800 1800 toll free. Email helpdeskindia@whirlpool.com. Shifting your Whirlpool washing machine. It is essential to pack the machine properly before it is moved from one place to another to prevent any damage in transportation. This becomes most essential when you move the machine from one city to another. To pack the machine properly, kindly contact your authorized Whirlpool of India Limited branch or dealer office in your city. During the warranty period, whenever the machine is shifted from the original city of purchase to another, a warranty transfer fee of rupees 200 will be collected. This also includes the machine reinstallation charge. In addition to proper packing, it is important to ensure for any transit damages to the machine during transportation by the customer is not covered under warranty provided by Whirlpool of India Limited. House wiring issues, chargeable cables. Damage caused due to house wiring issues such as short leading to general non-functioning of the machine, rat bite issues on wiring harness, damages such as short circuit leading to non-functioning of the machine due to rat bite on wiring harness, coin entry or foreign particles entry, cleaning. Now see this. Okay, care for the environment washer disposable. ठीक है. Care for the environment washer disposable. By ensuring this product is disposed of correctly, you will help avoid potential negative consequences for the environment and human health which could otherwise be caused by inappropriate waste handling of this product. The symbol on this product or on the documents accompanying the product indicates that this appliance may not be treated as household waste. Instead, it shall be handed over to the authorized collection center for the recycling of electrical and electronic equipment waste generated at the end of life of the product. Disposal must be carried out in accordance with local environmental regulations for e-waste disposal, which mandate channelization of e-waste to authorized collection centers or registered dismantlers or recyclers, or return to the pickup or take-up services provided by the manufacturer. For more detailed information about treatment, recovery, disposal, and recycling of this product, please call 1800 for toll free, and 1860 for BSNL and MTNL subscribers. Hazardous substances. ठीक है, हो गया ये.